A new cosmic structure has just been spotted, one that looks uncannily like an owl peering back at us from deep space. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have identified a pair of colliding ring galaxies more than 11 billion light-years away. This rare event, now nicknamed the Cosmic Owl, offers a detailed look at how galaxies evolve through collision, black hole activity, and bursts of star formation, all captured in a single frame.
The Cosmic Owl is made of two relatively small ring galaxies, each about 26,000 light-years across, roughly 1/4 the size of the Milky Way. They're currently in the middle of a collision, and what makes this system extraordinary is the near-perfect symmetry of the encounter. The result is a face-like structure with two luminous eyes and a central beak, clearly outlined in JWST's high-resolution imagery. These ring galaxies were identified by a research team led by Mingyu Li, a doctoral student at Tsinghua University in China. The discovery was unplanned. While reviewing JWST data in a well-studied region of the sky, Li and his colleagues came across a structure that stood out due to its form and clarity, something that wouldn't have been visible without JWST's sensitivity in the infrared spectrum. Each eye of the owl is an active galactic nucleus, AGN, the core of a galaxy where a supermassive black hole is consuming surrounding matter and emitting radiation. These black holes are estimated to be more than 10 million times the mass of the Sun. Their accretion activity makes them glow brightly in multiple wavelengths, helping define the face of the owl. In the beak, where the galaxies interact, ALMA data revealed dense molecular gas, evidence that star formation is actively occurring. VLA data reveal that a radio jet from one black hole is blasting into dense gas, intensifying star formation in the owl's beak. Combined with the merger's gravitational shock, this has turned the region into a stellar nursery. With a redshift of 1.14, we see the system as it was 11 billion years ago, just 38 million years after the collision began. While its shape is captivating, the real value of the Cosmic Owl lies in the simultaneous presence of multiple galactic phenomena. It's not often that astronomers get to study a galaxy merger involving twin ring structures, dual active black holes, a high-pressure gas cloud, and ongoing star formation, all in one object. Ring galaxies themselves are rare, estimated at fewer than 0.01% of all observed galaxies, and seeing two of them in a symmetric collision gives researchers a unique natural laboratory. The owl helps scientists explore how galaxy morphology is shaped by specific collision parameters like mass ratio, velocity, and impact angle. One of the most intriguing findings is how the AGN jet appears to enhance star formation in the collision zone. Traditionally, jets from supermassive black holes are thought to suppress star formation by heating the surrounding gas. But in this case, the jet and the merger's shock front seem to compress the gas, triggering a burst of stellar activity. This has important implications for understanding the early universe, especially during the period known as cosmic noon, when star formation was at its peak. Observations of systems like the Cosmic Owl provide direct evidence for one possible mechanism behind the rapid buildup of stellar mass in young galaxies: collision-induced starbursts enhanced by AGN feedback. The system also allows scientists to examine how black holes influence their host galaxies during mergers. By observing the distribution and intensity of emissions from both AGNs and comparing them with star formation rates, researchers can better understand the feedback cycles that either promote or regulate galaxy growth. The twin ring structure suggests both galaxies were similar in size and composition and collided in a precise way that preserved their shape, an event simulations can now replicate and study. Now that the cosmic owl has been identified, it opens the door for a deeper wave of investigation, both into this system and others like it. The research team is planning to run numerical simulations to model the dynamics of the collision, especially the specific parameters, such as angle and velocity, that could lead to the formation of two symmetric rings. They're also preparing for spectroscopic analysis using JWST and other ground-based observatories. This will help determine the chemical makeup of the gas, the motion of different components, and the ages of the newly formed stars. These details are crucial for understanding how long the current starburst has been underway and how it may evolve. In parallel, astronomers are now re-examining archival sky survey data, hoping to find other examples of ring-ring galaxy collisions. While the owl might be the clearest and most symmetrical, there may be other systems that were missed due to limited resolution in previous observations. The cosmic owl also underscores the value of multi-wavelength astronomy. Alone, JWST could identify the shape and thermal structure, but it took ALMA's millimeter wave sensitivity to detect the cold gas and VLA's radio capabilities to uncover the jet. This integration of tools creates a fuller picture, one that no single observatory could provide. Beyond this case, the findings inform broader questions in galactic astrophysics. For example, how do black holes regulate or stimulate galaxy-wide processes? Under what conditions do collisions produce starbursts versus quenching? And how frequently did systems like the cosmic owl exist in the early universe? The answers may also improve our understanding of galactic quenching, the process by which galaxies stop forming stars. If AGNs can both trigger and later suppress star formation, their timing and intensity could explain why some galaxies rapidly grow and then go quiet. The cosmic owl is more than a striking image, it's a rare glimpse into galactic evolution. Combining data from JWST, ALMA, and VLA, it reveals how collisions, AGN jets, and starbursts shaped galaxies in the early universe. Its symmetry and complexity offer lasting insights into how galaxies form and evolve.